In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Gumroad product to cart in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Adding your Gumroad products to cart allows visitors to purchase your products directly from your website or landing page. This is useful for creators selling digital downloads, courses, memberships, or other online products. Now, if you want to add a Gumroad product to cart, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your product section and open the product you want to add to your cart website. After that, open the Help Center and search for the article about integrating Gumroad into websites. Then, access your Gumroad widget or embed settings page. Now, choose the overlay or embed option you want to use for the product. After that, select the product you want to connect and customize the button text if needed. You can use text such as Buy Now, Purchase Here, or Download Product depending on your website style. Then, copy the embed code or product button code generated by Gumroad. Next, open your cart website editor and edit the page where you want the Gumroad product to appear. After that, add an embed element or code element inside cart. Then, paste the Gumroad embed code into the code section and save your changes. Now, publish or update your cart website. After publishing, visitors will be able to click the Gumroad button directly from your cart page and access the product checkout page. Usually, integration issues happen because the embed code was pasted incorrectly, the product is unpublished, or scripts are blocked on the website. So carefully test the button after publishing. That's it. By adding a Gumroad product to cart properly, you can sell products directly from your website and improve your customer experience successfully.